Okay, so we are done to your areas, plain area. So punta naman tayo sa volumes of solids of revolution. So kailan nga tayo nagkakaroon ng solids of revolution? So for example, meron tayong graph dito and for example, ito no, ipapaikutin natin siya sa isang axis, okay? So, paano yung pag-ikot niyaan? So, once na umikot siya sa isang axis, it will form a solid na circular. Okay? So, paano natin yan i-visualize? So, I have here a sample video. Okay? Dito. So, as you can see, no, ito yung graph no pinakita ko kanina sa inyo. Ayan, yan yung area bounded and papaikutin natin siya sa isang axis which is yung x-axis. So, magiging ganyan siya. Okay? So, yan yung solid na na-form dun sa ating graph. Okay? So, by means of rotating it or revolving it into a certain axis. Okay? So, yan. So, paano ito i-x? So, paano po mag-solve ng ganyan? Okay, so ang pinaka kailangan lang natin dito is you know how to graph. Okay, so ang lahat pa rin ng mga step ng areas dito or yung kanina, yung sa may area will be used here in volumes of solids of revolution. Pero meron nga lang ang kaibahan sa pinakadulo, yung formula na gagamitin na natin. So ano yung mga steps na yan? So first is to identify the types of given curves. So parehas pa rin sa nauna. Okay, so sa may area. Next is to graph the following curves using mode 7 or any convenient techniques. Next is to get the points of intersection or yung POI natin. Next is to draw the appropriate strip, either horizontal or vertical. So, ganun pa rin sa may volume natin. So, may y of the higher at saka y of the lower pa rin tayo for dx and x of the right and x of the left for dy. Okay? And ito yung ano lang dito, no? Naiiba sa may pagkuha ng volume. So, apply the formula for volume based on the rules on using this formula. So, ano yung mga rules na yon? Okay? So, kailangan yung malaman dito sa mga terminologies na magagamit natin dito. So, ano yung mga terminologies natin? First is the axis of revolution. Okay, ano tong axis of revolution? So from here, from this graph, so ni-rotate natin or ni-revolve natin about the x-axis dito. Okay, so ang mangyari is that, so ano ang axis of revolution? So axis to which the graph is rotated or revolved. Okay? So yan yung ating pinaka isa sa kailangan, okay, for your volumes of solids of revolution, dapat alam natin yung axis of revolution or kung saan siya nagro-rotate. Okay? So note, the method will be used will depend on the position of the axis of revolution and the strip. Okay? So yung formula na gagamitin natin dito sa volumes of solid of revolution depende sa positioning ng AOR or yung axis of revolution and the strip. Okay, kung nakadikit pa siya, kung parallel ba siya. So, ito yung mga yon. Okay, so ito yung mga methods natin. Okay, so for number one, so this method, so the strip is touching the axis of revolution. Dumidikit yung strip sa axis of revolution. So kapag dumikit yung strip sa axis of revolution, therefore, ang magagamit natin dito is the this method. Okay? So ito yung pinaka-easiest way in solving um, your volume. Okay? So easiest method ito. So kung pwede siyang i-dis ninyo. Okay? Pero kung walang paraan, di punta kayo sa number 2 or sa number 3. Okay? So, ito yung mga formulas natin dito. Okay? So, V is equal to the integral of pi multiplied by the quantity y of the higher minus y of the lower the quantity squared dx, or pwede natin gamitin in terms of dy. So that is v is equal to the integral of pi multiplied by the quantity of the right minus x of the left, the quantity squared dy. Okay, so this is when yung strip is nagtatouch sa axis of revolution. Next, number 2. So for cylindrical shell naman, so ito yung second method. So, ito yung medyo mahirap, okay? So, kailan gagamit ng cylindrical shell? So, the strip is parallel to the axis of revolution. Okay? So, kumbaga, parallel lang yung strip sa axis of revolution. Hindi siya nagtatouch. Okay? And parallel siya. Okay? So, ito yung ating ang formula. So, V is equal to the integral of 2 pi r multiplied by um, y of the higher minus y of the lower dx, or V is equal to integral ng 2 pi times r times the quantity x of the right minus x of the left dy. Wherein yung ating r, so this is the radius of gyration. So this is the distance from the strip to the axis of revolution. Okay, so yan yung distance ng strip to the axis of revolution. Okay, so next is the ring. So ring or washer. So magagamit naman to is if the strip is not touching the axis of revolution, but when projected, it will cross the axis of revolution. For example, meron tayong graph dito, no? Ito yung axis of revolution, nag-apply ka ng dx. As you can see, yung dx hindi magta-touch dun sa axis of revolution, pero kapag project mo siya, magta-touch siya or magko-cross siya sa may axis of revolution. Okay? So, yan. So, ano yung formula natin dito? So, that is V is equal to pi multiplied by RO squared minus RI squared dx, or V is equal to integral ng pi multiplied by the quantity RO squared minus RI squared dy. Okay, so kapag dx yung gagamitin mo, RO and RI is in functions of x or naka in terms of x. Kapag dy naman yung ginamit mo, so RO and RI are the functions of y. So ano yung RO at saka RY dito? So when we say RO and RI, so distance of the farthest curve to the axis of revolution. So from this graph, ang RO natin dito is yung parabola opening downward. So yan yung pinakamalayo going to the axis of revolution. And kapag makukuha natin yung sagot dito, or RO I should say, so ano lang natin siya, i-project lang natin siya from the curve going to the axis of revolution. Yung distance na yan, that's your RO. Okay? So, ang starting point natin is yung curve to the axis of revolution. Okay? So, bale, parang curve minus axis of revolution. Okay? So, yan yung RO. Pati rin dito sa RI, pero dito sa RI natin, yung nearest curve going to the axis of revolution. Okay? So, ano pa rin to, no? So, nearest curve minus axis of revolution. So, this is your RI. Okay? So, try nating mag-solve para ma-visualize ninyo or ma-recall ninyo yung volumes of solids of revolution. Okay, so number 11. So area bounded by the curve y squared is equal to 12x and the line x equal to 3 is revolve about the line x equal to 3. Okay, so take note mo, i-revolve daw natin siya about the line x equal to 3. So this is your axis of revolution. So AOR, axis of revolution is x is equal to 3. What is the volume generated? So use this and shell method to prove the answer. Okay? So pakita ko sa inyo yung this at saka yung shell method. Okay? Pero take note po, depende sa itsura ng curve at saka dun sa strip and sa axis of revolution kung paano nyo siya gagamitin. Okay? So yung unang graph is a parabola. This is opening upward or to the right, I should say, and vertex at 0, 0. So, pag ganito siya. Okay? Tapos, yung isang ano natin dito, um, graph natin is x equal to 3. So, this is a vertical line. So, yan. So, x equal to 3. This is y squared is equal to 12x. And ire-revolve mo daw yung ating ano dito, graph dito at x equal to 3. So, ito yung axis of revolution. So, what is the volume generated? Okay? So, paano natin to gagawin? Okay? So, depende sa inyo kung dx or dy yung gagamitin ninyo. Okay? So, kung dx or dy, yun yung pinakamadali. Bakit yun yung pinakamadali? Siya yung magdidisk, okay? So as you can see here, sa ating graph, so kapag dy yung ginamit natin, magta-touch yung dy natin or yung strip natin sa axis of revolution. And kapag nangyari yon, so hence it will use a disk method. So the strip is touching the axis of revolution. Okay? So kapag dy, siya ay disk. Okay? Ayan. So, paano na natin to gagawin? Okay? So, kunin natin yung points of intersection, pati. Points of intersection, POI. So, equate lang natin si y squared is equal to 12x at saka x equal to 3. So, therefore, y squared is equal to 12 times 3 or y squared is equal to 36 and therefore, y is equal to plus or minus 6. Okay, so therefore this is blank or 3, negative 6. Ito, 3, 6. Okay, ayan. So after which, so naano na natin yung strip, dy. So kapag dy, disk siya, kasi nga nagta-touch. So touch the axis of revolution. So therefore, V now is equal to integral ng pi multiplied by x of the right minus x of the left, the quantity squared, dy. Okay? So, at x1 to x2. Or, since y pala, no? y1 to y2. Ayan. So, therefore, this is now v is equal to integral ng pi multiplied by x of the right. So, yung x of the right natin dito is yung x equal to 3 and x of the left is equal to your parabola which is y squared is equal to 12x or this is x is equal to y squared over 12. So this is now equal to what? So 3 minus y squared over 12, the quantity squared, dy from -6 to 6. So therefore, what's now your v equal to? So integral ng pi multiplied by 3 minus x squared over 12, the quantity squared from -6 to 6. So this is now equal to 288 over 5 pi, or this is now equal to 180.956. So this is cubic units. Okay, so letter C. Sir, paano po yung isang method? Okay? So, kung gusto nyo talaga ng isang method, pwede naman. So, paano sir kapag dx? Pwede siya kapag dx. Pero kung titingnan natin mabuti, yung unang assumption natin is ganito. Sir, hindi pwede kasi nga po um, yung x right or y of the higher at saka of the lower is parehas. Okay? But however, since meron siyang symmetry dito sa may x-axis, why not nahatiin na lang natin siya? Sir, pwede po ba yon? Yes, pwede yon. Okay? So, hatiin natin siya. Dito yung kunin natin. So, dito yung kunin natin, then i-times 2 na lang natin later. Sir, pwede po ba yon? Yes, pwede yon. Okay? Pero kapag dx yung gagamitin natin, so this is by shell. Bakit? Nakaparallel yung strip to the axis of revolution. Okay? So kapag dx yung ginamit natin dito. Okay? Ayan. So as you can see, no, kapag iniba natin yung strip, mag-iiba yung method na gagamitin natin. Okay? So sige. Ano yung mga ano natin dito? Um, mga points of intersection. So 0, 0 to dito hanggang dito sa may 3, 6. Okay? So, gamitan natin ng shell. So, that is V is equal to. So, from your shell na formula. So, X yung gamitin natin, no? So, that is 2 pi R. Integral ng 2 pi R times Y of the higher minus Y of the lower dx from x1 to x2. Okay? So, pero sabi nga natin, ita-times 2 natin siya. So, lagyan natin dito ng 2 sa labas. Okay? Ayan. So, therefore, V now is equal to 2 integral ng 2 pi times yung R. So, ano ulit yung R? The radius of gyration. Okay? So, ito siya. So, distance from the strip to the axis of revolution. Sir, dx po ito. Tapos, ano po natin siya sa axis of revolution. So, ano yung distance nito? So, this is 3 minus x. Okay? Sir, bakit x? Kasi yung dx natin, arbitrary yung movement niyan. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, pwedeng nandito siya, pwedeng nandito, pwedeng nandito, pwedeng nandito. So, pabago-bago siya, kaya arbitrary yung gagamitin nating um, value sa kanya. So, therefore, this is now multiplied by 3 minus x multiplied by y of the higher natin. So, y of the higher is your parabola. Okay? So, pero, naka-y squared tayo. So, ang gagawin lang natin is to take the square root. So, therefore, y now is equal to the square root of 12x. Then, y of the lower natin is just equal to your x-axis, which is y equal to 0. Okay, so this is now multiplied by square root of 12x minus 0 dx from 0 to 3. So what's now your v equal to? So dapat pareha siya dito sa 180.956, no? So this is 2 times the integral of 2 pi multiplied by 3 minus x multiplied by square root of 12x minus 0 from 0 to 3. Ito medyo matagal. May katagalan siya, pero parehas pa rin yung sagot, no? 180.956. Parehas pa rin. So, 180.956 cubic units. So, nasa sa inyo kung anong gusto ninyong method ang gagawin. Okay? Pero kapag sabi ko nga sa inyo, kung pwede siyang maging disk, i-disk nyo na agad. Okay? Okay, next tayo. Number 12. Find the volume generated by revolving the area bounded by the parabola. So, yung parabola natin is y squared is equal to 8x. Its latus rectum. So, latus rectum, x equal to 2. So, binigay na yung latus rectum, x equal to 2. So, use um, this and shell method to prove the answer. Take note po, latus rectum rin yung kanyang axis of revolution. Okay? Ayan. So, paano natin i-graph yan? So, yung y squared is equal to 8x. This is a parabola. So, this is vertex at 0, 0. This is opening to the right. Okay? Ayan. So, pag ganyan siya. Okay? Then, another is yung line natin. X is equal to 2. So, this is a vertical line. Okay? X equal to 2. So, and i-revolve sa x equal to 2. Okay? So, this is the axis of revolution. So, hahanapin daw natin siya using disk and shell. Okay? So, paano natin siya gagawing disk? Yun na lang yung goal natin dito, no? Okay? So, since magta-touch siya sa axis of revolution, so, gawin na lang natin siyang pahiga. Okay? Gawin natin siyang pahiga. So, magta-touch na siya dito sa axis of revolution. So, therefore, we can use dy. Okay? So, therefore, dy, kapag dy, yung method na gagamitin mo is this. Okay? Points of intersection. So, ito at saka to. So, therefore, y squared is equal to 8x at saka x equal to 2. So, pag combinein mo lang yan, so this is now y squared is equal to 8 times 2. Or this is y squared is equal to 16. Or therefore, y is equal to plus or minus 4. So, dito, um, 2, 4. Dito, 2, negative 4. Okay? So, strip is dy. So, gamitan na natin siya ng disk formula. So, V is equal to integral ng pi multiplied by x of the right minus x of the left dy from y1 to y2. So, ano ulit yung x of the right natin? So, from the graph, so this is x equal to 2. And for x of the left, so this is now your parabola. Y squared is equal to 8x. So, therefore, x is equal to y squared over 8. So, lagay lang natin dito. So, V now is equal to the integral of pi multiplied by x of the right natin. So, that is 2. So, may square dito, no? Yan. So, 2 minus x of the left. So, that is y squared over 8 squared dy from -4 to 4. Okay, yun yung points of intersection natin, di ba? So, ito at saka to. Okay? So, therefore, what's now your V equal to? So, that is integral ng pi multiplied by the quantity 2 minus x squared over 8, the quantity squared from -4 to 4. So, that is 256 over 15 pi cubic units. So, this is letter D. Sir, pwede po ba to sa shell? Pwede. Okay? So, kapag shell, katulad rin nung nauna kanina, so, kapag shell, siya ay magpaparallel. Okay? So, let's do that. Pero dito, no, sabi nga natin, hindi pwede yung dx dito kapag yung buong area yung iti-take into account mo. Okay? So, gagawin lang natin is kakalahatiin then ita-times 2 ulit. So, dx. Okay? So, ita-times 2 na lang natin ulit. Okay? So, kapag dx, as you can see, yung strip is nakaparallel dito sa ating axis of revolution. So, therefore, we can use shell. So, parallel to axis of revolution. Okay? So, therefore, yung V natin dito is equal to 2 pi or integral ng 2 pi multiplied by R multiplied by y of the higher minus y of the lower dx from x1 to x2. Okay? So, meaning that is from 0, 0 to 2, 4. So, ito kasi siya. Okay? So, therefore, this is now equal to what? Okay, so V now is equal to 2. So, nag-times 2 siya dito. So, multiplied by the integral of 2 pi multiplied by R. So, ano ulit yung R natin dito? So, that is the distance of the axis of revolution to the strip. So, ano tong distance na to? So, that is 2 minus x. So, this is times 2 minus x multiplied by the quantity y of the higher natin, so this is your parabola. So y of the higher parabola, so which is y squared is equal to 8x. So therefore, y now is equal to square root of 8x, and your y of the lower is your x-axis, which is y equal to 0. So therefore, this is square root of 8x minus 0 dx from 0 to 2. So dapat magparehas sila. Kung hindi, may mali sa solution. So this is 2 times 2 pi times 2 minus x multiplied by square root of 8x minus 0 from 0 to 2. Okay, medyo matagal. So this is equal to 256 pi over 15. Parehas pa rin. So letter D. So para sa mga susunod na methods na is gagawin ko ng isa na lang, no? Isang method na lang yung gagawin ko dito. So punta na tayo sa next number 13. Find the volume generated by revolving the area bounded by the parabola y is equal to 8x or y squared is equal to 8x. Tapos yung latus rectum, x equal to 2. About the y-axis, so therefore yung axis of revolution natin is the y-axis. Y-axis or this is your um, x equal to 0. Okay? So drawing lang natin, parabola. So yung kanina lang, no? Tapos x equal to 2. So x equal to 2. Y squared is equal to 8x. Tapos, i-revolve natin sa y-axis. Dito. So, this is the axis of revolution. Okay. So, pwede naman dito is ring or shell. Okay? Ring or shell. Okay? So, kapag shell yung ginamit nyo dito, dx pa rin yung gagamitin natin dito kapag shell. Pag ganyan. Tapos ita times 2 lang ulit natin. Pero kapag pahiga yung ginamit nyo dito, ring na to. Okay? So, kapag di y yung ginamit nyo dito, magre-ring. Okay? Ring or washer. Sir, bakit po ring or washer? Kasi nga po, hindi nag-touch sa axis of revolution yung ating strip. Pero kapag pinoject mo siya, going to the axis of revolution, pwede. Okay? So, ibig sabihin may butas lang siya, no? Okay? So, ganyan kapag ring or washer. Okay? So, paano yung formula natin dyan for dy? So, v is equal to integral ng pi multiplied by rho squared minus ri squared dy from y1 to y2, wherein rho and ri are function of y. Okay, function of y. So, ano yung ating ano dito, rho? So, yung pinakamalayong curve natin dito is eto, no? So, this is your RO. So, ano yung distance na yan? So, this is 2 minus 0. So, how about your RI? So, ito. Yung pinakamalapit na curve to the axis of revolution. So, ito yung RI natin. So, RI is equal to, so in terms of function of y, so, so therefore, this is now y squared over 8 minus 0. Okay? So, in terms of y, so x is equal to y squared over 8. So therefore, v now is equal to the integral of pi multiplied by 2 minus 0 squared minus ri, which is y squared over 8 minus 0, the quantity squared, dy from y1 to y2. So ano yung mga ano natin ulit kanina dito? Points of intersection, 2, 4 at 2, negative 4. Okay? So 2, 4 or 2, negative 4 tapos 2, 4. So ang nagbago lang naman dito yung axis of revolution lang. Okay? So same yung graph natin kanina. So this is now from negative 4 to 4. So what's now your v equal to? So this is equal to pi multiplied by 2 minus 0, the quantity squared, minus x squared over 8 minus 0, the quantity squared all of from negative 4 to 4. So this is equal to 128 pi over 5 cubic units. So therefore, this is letter A. Okay, so try nyo na lang picturean yung ano, yung second solution ko. So, yung second solution ko ay nandito. Page 30. So, second solution. So, ito siya kapag ginamit mo yung dx shell. So, yung r mo dito is x, radius of gyration. Kasi nga, ito lang naman yung pinag-uusapan. Distance from the axis of revolution going to the strip. So, this is x, no? Okay? So, punta na tayo sa next problem, number 14. So, given the area in the first quadrant bounded by the curve, x squared is equal to 8y, the line minus 2 is equal to 0, or y is equal to 2, tapos yung y-axis, so first quadrant, no? So what is the volume generated when the area is revolved about the line y minus 2 is equal to 0? So yung axis of revolution natin dito is y is equal to 2. Okay? So, paano na natin yan gagawin? Okay? So, i-identify lang natin tong first curve natin. This is a parabola. So, opening upward. Tapos, vertex 0, 0. Okay? So, pag ganyan siya. Okay? So, sige. Waiting ko lang. Yan. So, y equal to 2. So, this is a horizontal line. So, y equal to 2, horizontal line. So, pahiga na line. Yan. Y equal to 2. This is x squared is equal to 8y. Then, the y-axis. Nasaan yung y-axis? Ito. So, kumbaga ito, at ito. Nasa first quadrant lang siya. So, meaning ito. Okay, first quadrant. Okay? Sir, paano na to? Okay, so gagawin lang natin dito, axis of revolution, ito pa, no? Yan. So, ang gagawin lang natin dito, kunin ulit yung um, points of intersection. So, nasaan? Ito, tsaka ito. Gusto. Okay? So, pag-equatein lang natin si x squared is equal to 8y at tsaka y equal to 2. So, therefore, this is now x squared is equal to 8 times 2. So therefore, x squared is equal to 16. So therefore, x is equal to plus or minus 4. Pero since first quadrant lang, so dito, 4 tapos 2. Okay? Then dito, 0, 0. Dito, 0, 2. Okay? Ayan. Points of intersection. So, susunod na gagawin natin is to identify the strip. So, sabi ko nga sa inyo, kapag pwedeng gawing this yung gawin ninyo. So, ano yung paraan na kung saan magta-touch yung strip sa axis of revolution? So, that is by making the use of dx. Pwede ba yung dx dito? Yes, pwede. Pwede naman. Okay? So, yung ating strip ay dx. Kapag dx, so magta-touch yan sa axis of revolution. So, meaning siya ay disk. So, therefore, our formula for this method now here is integral ng pi multiplied by y of the higher minus y of the lower the quantity squared dx from x1 to x2. Okay? So, ano yung y of the higher natin dito? Okay? So, yung y of the higher natin dito, so yh is equal to the line. Okay? So, yung horizontal line. So, y equal to 2. So, y of the lower natin, so that's your parabola. Okay? So, x squared is equal to 8y. So, therefore, y is equal to x squared over 8. Okay? So, therefore, v now is equal to integral ng pi multiplied by y of the higher natin. So, this is 2 minus y of the lower is x squared over 8 dx from x1. So, x1 natin is 0 to x2. So, this is equal to 4. So, from x to x. So, this is now equal to what? So, pi. So, nakalimutan natin yung squared ulit dito. Okay? Yan. Paki-take note yung square. So therefore, this is now pi multiplied by 2 minus x squared all over 8. This is the quantity squared from 0 to 4. So therefore, this is now equal to 128 pi over 15 cubic units. So or this is approximately equal to, so nakadecimal kasi siya. So this is 26.808 cubic units. So this is letter B. Sir, paano kapag DY yung ginamit mo? Pwede po ba? Okay? The answer is pwede. Pwede ulit yung DY. Pero kapag DY yung ginamit mo dito, magiging shell siya. Okay? So, ito yung magiging solution natin kapag shell. Okay? So, yung radius of gyration mo dito, so this is 2 minus y. So, from dito going to dito, no? From the axis of revolution or from the strip going to the axis of revolution. So, 2 minus y. So, ang mahirap lang naman dito sa shell yung pagkuha ng axis of or yung radius of gyration. Okay? Next, number 15. So, find the volume of the solid generated by revolving the area bounded by. So, x is equal to y squared and x is equal to 2 minus y squared about the y-axis. So, yung axis of revolution daw natin, this is y-axis or this is x equal to 0. Okay, so dalawang parabola to, no? Okay, so yung unang parabola natin, so this is parabola at vertex 0, 0. Tapos, yung ating ano dito, opening is to the right. Yung pangalawang parabola natin, so this is y squared is equal to negative x plus 2. So, nilipat ko to doon. Tapos, nilipat ko yung x dito sa kabila. So, ito siya. So, therefore, y squared is equal to negative of x minus 2. So, therefore, okay, yung vertex natin dito is at 2, 0. Opening to the left. Okay? So, paano yan? So, unahin natin yung 0, 0, 0 opening to the right. So, pag ganyan siya. So, this is x is equal to y squared. How about yung isa? So, dito siya. Opening to the left. Okay? So, this is x is equal to 2 minus y squared. Okay? Sir, pwede po ba dito dx? The answer is hindi pwede. Okay? So, hindi pwede kasi nga, once na pinag-move natin to from left to right, mag-iiba yung ating y of the higher at saka y of the lower. Okay? So, ang pinaka mainam lang dito or yung pwede lang talaga dito is by making use of dy. Okay, dy lang ang pwede dito. So, nasan yung axis of revolution natin? Nasa may x-axis. Or y-axis, I should say. So, nandito. Okay? So, therefore, ang gagamitin natin dito is by making use of your ring method. Okay? So, bakit ring? Kasi nga may butas or hindi magta-touch yung ating axis of revolution sa yung sa ating strip, okay? So hindi magta-touch yung strip sa axis of revolution. So ring, okay? Dito. So therefore, kapag ring, kailangan dito ng RO at saka RI. So V is equal to integral ng pi multiplied by RO squared minus RI squared dy from y1 to y2. Okay, before we forgot, so kunin muna natin yung points of intersection. Okay, nakalimutan natin yon. So ito at saka ito. Sa papaanong paraan, pag-equatein lang natin si x is equal to y squared at si x equal to 2 minus y squared. So pag-equatein natin, so this is y squared is equal to 2 minus y squared. So therefore, 2y squared is equal to 2 or y squared is equal to 1. So y is equal to plus or minus 1. Okay? So dito blank 1. Dito blank. Dito negative 1. Okay? So yan. So kunin na natin si RO. So yung RO natin, yun yung pinakamalayo dun sa may axis of revolution, which is yung parabola opening to the left. Okay? Parabola opening to the left. So, therefore, so take note po, function of y, dapat siya. So, this is 2 minus y squared minus 0. And yung ri natin dito, so yung parabola opening to the right. So, ito, ri. So, therefore, this is um, y squared minus 0. So, apply natin dito sa formula natin. So, V now is equal to integral ng pi multiplied by RO. So, this is 2 minus y squared minus y squared, the quantity squared, dy from negative 1 to 1. So, therefore, what's now your V equal to? So, this is, so, nawala yung pi. Ayan, nakalimutan natin yung pi. So, this is equal to 16 pi over 3. Okay? So, this is letter C. Okay? So, that is our volumes of solids of revolutions.